Alright, go.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to see which can be chugged faster. Indiana Jones, Dr. Pepper, or Russian Coca-Cola with a K.
Koka-Kora.
Koka-Kora. Alright? For my Asian friend, for my Chinese friends at home, it's Koka-Kora. Okay. Koka-Kora. Alright, we'll see. Alright. We'll see. I forgot I shook that up. That's my sleeping bag. It's now wet and sticky, but it's not semen. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Ready? Oh.
Okay.
Bananas make me super horny. Alright, here we go. Good God.
Crap. How do you unload that shit?
It's really easy to chug.
How long was that?
I don't know.
Oh, God. Whoa. Alright. Mr. Jones.
You're puking all night.
Ready? One, go.
Hold on. Good God. Oh, the Russians know what they're doing. Be a man.
Good man.
Again, for my Chinese friends, that was Koka-Kora. Koka-Kora. Alright, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 seconds.
Oh, God.
Damn it, Everett. You can't get
Oh, man. Oh, dude. Eat the banana peel, man.
I'm not eating that banana peel.
I'll eat it.
I can't breathe. Ladies and gentlemen, it would appear it is faster to choke Indiana Jones and Dr. Pepper than it is to choke the Russian Coca-Cola.
Kora.
The Russians are involved with some UFO activity, thus their Coca-Cola is all radiated. It's hard to chug because it's all fizzy. It's extra fizzy. See what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's made by some aliens that get jiggy with it in their spaceship that has extra awesome subwoofers. Like, shake the earth. Those earthquakes in California were not caused by earthquakes. No, they're caused by aliens and their subwoofers.